Hey everyone, welcome back to Money Talk Tips. Today we're diving into one of the most important aspects of personal finance, your credit score. A good credit score opens doors to better financial opportunities, from lower interest rates to higher credit limits. In this video, we'll explore effective credit score boosters that will help you improve and maintain your credit score. Let's get started. So, what is a credit score? A credit score is a numerical representation of an individual's creditworthiness, indicating their likelihood to repay debts, manage financial obligations responsibly. It is a three-digit number calculated based on various factors, including payment history, credit utilization, length of credit history, types of credit used, and recent credit inquiries. Lenders and financial institutions use credit scores to assess the risk of extending credit to borrowers. A high credit score generally reflects a more favorable credit history, making it easier for individuals to qualify for loans, credit cards, and favorable interest rates, while a lower credit score may limit access to credit or result in higher borrowing costs. Maintaining a good credit score is essential for achieving financial goals and accessing better financial opportunities. Credit scores typically range from 300 to 850, although the specific scoring models may vary slightly. Here is a general breakdown of credit score ranges. Poor, from 300 to 579. A credit score in this range indicates a higher risk of defaulting on loans and may result in limited access to credit or higher interest rates. Fair, from 580 to 669. Scores in this range are considered fair and may still face challenges in obtaining credit at favorable terms. Good, from 670 to 739. A credit score in this range is generally seen as good and demonstrate responsible credit management, making it easier to qualify for loans and credit cards. Very good, from 740 to 799. Scores in this range are considered very good and may lead to better loan terms, lower interest rates, and more favorable financial offers. Excellent, from 800 to 850. Credit scores in this range are considered excellent, indicating a very low risk of default. Individuals with scores in this range are typically offered the best credit terms and financial opportunities. Now that we know what credit score is, let's talk about tips that will help you increase your credit score and keep it high. Tip number 1. Check your credit report regularly. Monitoring your credit report is crucial for spotting errors or inaccuracies that could be dragging down your score. You are entitled to a free credit report from each of the three major credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, every 12 months. Review your reports for any discrepancies and report them immediately to get them corrected. You can access your free credit score through several reputable sources. Here are some options to consider. Annualcreditreport.com. Under the Fair Credit Reporting Act, FCRA, you are entitled to a free credit report from each of the three major credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, once every 12 months. You can request your reports through annualcreditreport.com, which is the official website authorized by the Federal Trade Commission, FTC. While the credit report do not include your credit score, they provide valuable information about your credit history. Card issuers. Many credit card issuers now provide free access to credit scores as a part of their cardholder benefits. Check with your credit card issuer to see if they offer this service. Some issuers provide credit scores on monthly statements or through their online banking platforms. FICO Score Open Access. Some financial institutions participate in the FICO Score Open Access program, allowing their customers to view their FICO credit scores for free. Check if your bank or credit union offers this service. Credit score apps. There are several mobile apps available that offer free access to credit scores and credit monitoring services. Ensure that you choose a reputable and well-known app to protect your personal information. Before accessing your credit score through any service, verify its legitimacy and reputation to safeguard your data. Also keep in mind that credit scores may vary slightly depending on the scoring model used, so it's helpful to have a general idea of your credit health from multiple sources. Monitoring your credit score regularly can help you stay informed about your credit worthiness and detect any suspicious or incorrect information on your credit report. Tip number 2. Pay your bills on time every time. Payment history is the most significant factor in determining your credit score. Set up payment reminders or automate payments to ensure you never miss a due date. Consistently paying your bills on time will have a positive impact on your credit worthiness. Tip number 3. Keep credit card balances low. High credit card balances relative to your credit limit can hurt your score. Aim to keep your credit utilization below 30%. Consider paying more than the minimum each month to reduce your balances faster and lower your utilization rate. Tip number 4. Be cautious with new credit applications. Each time you apply for credit, a hard inquiry is recorded on your credit report, which may temporarily lower your score. Limit new credit applications and avoid opening multiple accounts within a short period. Instead, focus on building a strong credit history with your existing accounts. Tip number 5. Diversify your credit mix. Lenders like to see a mix of credit types, such as credit cards, installment loans, and retail accounts. Having a diverse credit mix shows that you can manage different types of credit responsibly. However, only open new credit accounts when necessary and avoid taking on debt you don't need. Following these credit score boosters will put you on the path to a stronger credit score and better financial opportunities. Remember, improving your credit score takes time and discipline, but it's well worth the effort. That's all for today's video. If you found these credit score boosters helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share it with anyone who could benefit. Don't forget to subscribe to Money Talk Tips for more insightful content on personal finance and smart money management. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.